In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Discord audio to OBS. So in here, just tap on the plus button beside the sources and then select application audio capture. This is where to capture the audio coming from a specific application. So we need to name the source. So I'll be naming it Discord just to keep track of it in an easier way. And then in here, choose the window we want to capture. Make sure that you select Discord. There you go. And you can now go back. And then Discord is now appearing in the audio mixer. So in here, you can control the volume level. So you can add a audio again to your OBS. Just repeat the process. So you can add your Spotify or whatever application that you want. And that's it, guys. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.